How to change audio language in YouTube videos on an iPhone or Android phone. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily select a different audio language for YouTube videos on YouTube. So some videos on YouTube now have multiple audio languages that you can select from. In this video, I'll show you how to select the different languages that are available for a specific video. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to change the audio language on a YouTube video, the first thing we need to do is simply open up that video so that it starts playing. Then just simply tap the video so that you see the little menu here and select the gear in the top right. Once you select the gear, select audio track. And then once the audio track menu comes up, you'll see the different audio languages that are available for you to choose. So my video here only has English and Spanish. So if I select Spanish, the language spoken in this video will now be in Spanish. If when you select the gear you don't see audio track, that means that no other languages have been uploaded for that video. All right, so that's how you change audio language in YouTube videos on iPhone and Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.